Hi folks, so today we're going to learn how to do word sorts. This is a way of practicing the different sounds because one of the problems when learning to spell in English is there's often two, three, four or more ways of spelling the same sound and writing it down. So we have to learn the different ways of doing it. So this one, step one, version one, you would write out the words on cards, put them all up, jumbled up, face up for the children. Then say, okay, I want you to sort these into different groups. So it's up to the children how they're going to sort it. So I'm going to have a look. Let's see, right, this one's got an AY in it, or they might say Aya, that's fine. So I'm also going to put that with this one that's got an AY. This one's got an AI, or AE. That would go with that one. This one's got an AY. This one's got an AI. And this one's got an AI. And these ones all have AE. So they go together. Once they've sorted them into the different columns, different groups, you would say, okay, why did you pick that? Now they would explain this one AY, this one's AI, this one's AE. Then you would ask them to have a think, what sounds do all these words have? They look when I go AY, yeah, that makes an A. So they must all be A. And you go through and read them, so you've got A, say, D, A, day, P, O, A, play, D, A, N, drain, eten, train, rain, paid, name, sale, main, made. And they would practice reading it. Then what you could do is you could do the same thing, jumble them all up, and then time them. See how long does it take you to sort them all back out into different categories and to read the words. And then every day the children could try and beat that time and see how quickly you can do it. The second way is to have a grid like this with the different A sounds written out. The children would then, using their reading book or possibly one of their own books, read through it. Any words that they find in the book that have this, they would write in the column. So if they found rain, they would write it under the AI. If they found play, they'd write it under there. And at the end you can see, okay, why did you choose that one? How would you say it? Talking about that. A development for that, so you might practice with the cards and with the grid over a couple of days, and then maybe the Thursday or the Friday, you might do what we call a blind sort. This is when the children have no visual reference to the words at all. And what you would do is you give them a grid like this, the blank grid again, and then you would say the word. For example, rain. And the children then have to decide which one it would use and write it in the appropriate column and spell it correctly. So you'd write rain in there. Any words they spell incorrectly, use the wrong one, note them at the side, and those are the words to focus on for the next time. So you could be doing this progressing over a week, starting off with the cards, moving on to sorting through books and writing them in the grid, and then finally doing blind sorts where you're just saying the words and they've got to write them into the appropriate grid spelling correctly. Any questions, please get in touch. And any examples of this you think are doing well, I'd love to see them. So please feel free to add them to Dojo and let me know how you get on.